When to use retinol in your skincare routine depends upon a lot of things. So the main thing is, how long have you been using it? So if you're beginning retinol for the first time, you want to use it after your moisturizer. This is probably step 5 in your routine. If you've been on retinol for a while and you have not increased the strength recently, and you're not having any redness or peeling, then you can switch it and put the retinol first and the moisturizer on top. The reason this matters is retinol gets into the skin pretty easily. So when you're first starting out using retinol, you want to put the moisturizer first to slow how much retinol is getting into your skin. This helps you acclimate to it better. But then once you're used to it, you want to get more retinol in the skin. So you put the retinol first and then you put the moisturizer on top. And the moisturizer will do something called occlusion, which helps push that retinol in the skin. Each time you go up in strength on your retinol or retinoid, then put it on top of your moisturizer until you get acclimated, and then switch it and put the moisturizer after the retinol. So you can control the amount of side effects you get from retinol by when you use it in your skincare routine.